Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Carrot website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload local city images into your Carrot website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First up, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload local city images into your Carrot website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business, you know that Carrot is a popular way to get local websites up and running quickly, but the images that are stock maybe aren't related to your local area, which can be confusing. So you want to be sure to upload relevant local pictures of the houses or cities in your area. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Carrot website dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into one of my Carrot test websites, and this is the dashboard. Now, if you want to upload local images, first what you're going to do is up here on the top left, make sure you're working in the correct Carrot website. Once you've done that, you're going to get here to the dashboard, and you want to click here on the left content. Once you click on content, you're going to see this menu open up, and you want to be sure to click here on media. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all of the images or pictures you might have already uploaded. So if you're having trouble finding a local picture, you can use Gemini and just prompt them to give you a picture of a typical local house in whatever market you're working in, or you can also do a typical street scene for that market. Once you have that, you're going to upload it here into your media library. Now, the cool thing is once it's uploaded into your media library, you can use it across all of your different pages, and you don't have to upload it each time. It's just stored here. So first, what you're going to do is click here, add media file, and then select it from your dashboard. Okay, now it's going to start uploading. Okay, so here we have a new image. So you want to go ahead and upload all of your local images here. Now what you want to do is go over here to the left and then choose pages. Okay, now we can go to the home page right here, or whichever page that you want to upload your local image. So let's go ahead and choose this one here, Beaverton Cash Home Buyers, and you're going to click on edit. Okay, so here is my Beaverton Cash Home Buyers. So this is in the Portland, Oregon market. But if you look at this house, you can see that this is clearly not the Portland, Oregon market. There's just not really any palm trees there. So we're going to go ahead and update this. So normally what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on the image. And then if you don't see a replace button here, it's going to be here on the left. And then I'm going to hover over the image and replace this. Let me grab this image of Portland. Okay, now it has this orange check mark. And here you can go ahead and add in alternate text. So let's say Beaverton Cash Home Buyer, and I'll type that in the description as well. And then set featured image. And now you can see it uploaded. So now if somebody is looking to sell their house for cash in Beaverton, they're going to land on my page and they're not going to be confused and wonder why a house from California is showing right here. And if we scroll down a little bit, you can see, for example, this house right here, again, is not related to Beaverton, Oregon. So we'll just click here and then we'll click on replace. Make sure that you have this orange box around the image and then open media library and then just grab the image. Once it has that orange check mark, click on select and you can see it updated. So you can do that with all of these images. And if it doesn't have an image, like for example, this one has like this yellow box, you can just click on the yellow box. And once you get that orange line around it, you'll see this add me and then open media library. And again, you can go ahead and just grab one of your images and select, and you can see it adds it in right into the background. Okay, so once you're done with that, click on save here on the top right. All right, it's saving. Okay, if you want to see what it looks like, you can click right here on this little arrow button. Okay, now you can see it loads with the local real estate image that we put in and right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use a local real estate image in your Carrot website, that's the way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.